How to download Google Response form. How to download Microsoft Response. To download Microsoft Response form, let's go back to Google. Microsoft form. Microsoft form. Yeah, already on Microsoft form. You click on the form to be downloaded to open. I click on Labour Party form. From there you will have this preview. You click on response. So once you click on response, you can open as Excel. It will be downloaded. Already it has been downloaded. Let me now open the file, response form. So this is the form. It has been downloaded. Thank you for watching. That's how to download Microsoft Response form. Thank you.